now we have the adventures of where is Jenny gonna go next? Not sure. I actually need to go by the visitor center in order to fill up on some water and reassess the situation. It's a good location to do that. The visitor center and Furnace Creek has very minimal cell service, but at least you can connect to the weather and things of that nature, because the heat is coming and I don't think I have time to hike. So let's go find some shade and maybe just chill and talk and do some art. How's that sound? That sounds lovely to me. I am in a different spot. You see lots of doves. I'm in a shaded spot. It's early. There's hardly anybody here. Maybe we'll take a walk over to see what this campground's all about. And we'll take a little bit of a walk to see what surrounds the visitor center. But right now I am having coffee and a banana and probably some tuna because I'm already hungry. I already hiked 4 miles. Well, my battery's charged up. I'm at the visitor center. I kind of just want to walk around a little bit. I got some time to kill. It looks like there's the campsites next to us. So let's just take a walk. I got my Lego person. I can do some Lego photography. Let's get the water. Don't ever travel without water. I'm kind of snacked up. Hi, I'm Jenny, and today we're just chilling in Furnace Creek. I give you just doing stuff at Furnace Creek. I don't know what I give you. I'm Jenny, and I'm just here. What do you think about that? First of all, there's all kinds of birds. I never knew doves to be so noisy. Well, that little blackbird underneath there is making the biggest noise. They're all hanging out. I'm gonna go check out the campground. That's the visitor center. I'm parked, car locked. Let's go take a walk and see what we can find on this lovely afternoon. Yeah, I hear ya. I hear ya. I'll have to look on a map later. I'm not even sure which campground this is. So let's just take a look. Let's take a look, as Andrea would say. Obviously, it's not very camped in at the moment, because these are all the campsites. Look at those big old salt cedars. Let's go out this way. There's the Jeep rental and the gas station. Let's see what else we can find. I've shifted course. That's an interesting vehicle. It looks like an ambulance turned into a camper van. The Bartstat? Don't know. I just saw this picnic bench and a spot to go through with the salt cedars. My guess is this is the golf course. I think that's what we're coming up on. Ooh, it's lovely in here. It's nice and shady. Welcome to the Furnace Creek Golf Course. The golf course in the lowest point of elevation in North America. Let's go. Looks like there used to be a little water feature here. And there's still a little bit of water running. Ooh, look how pretty that is. Got an original. It's a pretty neat little table. Let's see. Here's information about the restaurant. Oh, that's good information. Hold on. Okay, the 1849 buffet restaurant is connected to the Last Kind Word Saloon. It is the inn dining room and the inn pool cafe that I have never been to and don't know where that's at. And then it looks like they close from 11 to 12 every day for the employee lunch. You've got lots of golf carts. And the 19th hole is closed for the season because it's going to get hot here really soon. And there you go. This is the first tee. It looks pretty quiet. Should we take a walk on the golf course? I kind of feel like we should. Furnace Creek Golf Course. Okay, we are here. It's a solar field, but there's nobody here, so let's just take a walk on the golf course. I see one golf cart way out there. Way out there. But let's just take a walk. It's really quite lovely. I know nothing about golf, so that's that little big ground. It's behind me. Here's a water feature off to the side. Some scat. It's nice and cool here in the breeze. What is this? Okay, well, wasn't planning on picking up trash, but that's what we do. Okay, I'll get back on the trail again. I see that golf cart. There's the one golf cart I see. Not sure why the sprinklers are on at this exact time of the day. Not necessarily the best time to be watering. Anyways, I love all the palm trees and the manicured tamarisk trees. These bad boys suck up so much water. They are not native. There's another raven. They are not native to Nevada, but they provide ample shade. There's the solar field. That's exciting. They're getting ready to put solar fields all over Amargosa. They even want to put a giant one next to the Singing Dunes. Did you know that? Ooh, it smells like wet grass. That is not a smell I'm used to in the desert at all. They have little lawn features stuck in the grass, like there's some little birds. And then behind me is a coyote. Super quiet. Super quiet. Hear my water bottle clinking. That's them doing some golf course maintenance. That's the biggest blower I've ever seen. Keep going down the road. Okay, second tee is this way. Eighteenth tee is that way. I will apologize in advance that I'm not necessarily following the actual golf course. I'm just somewhat aimlessly walking around, checking things out. This looks like the second tee though. That's exciting. You have no idea what the numbers and colors coordinate to. Maybe that's from where you tee off. Maybe like that's the distance depending on where you tee off. I'm sure some golfers are going to tell me. Sure is pretty back here. It's a beautiful golf course. I wonder how hard it is. Now, do I wish I could just plop my chair next to that water feature? Yes, I do. Can I do that? No, I cannot. Because it's surrounded by the golf greens. It's lovely out here though. I can hear the birds. It's not too many bugs. That's smart. Not sure how they do that, or looks like they've got water available for you, so do not have it. I brought my water in my amazing water bottle, so I'm okay. I'm not going to take any of that. That's kind of good to know. And the 8th tee is back that way. I want to go to that little lookout thing over there, and then I'll turn back around. Okay, I gotta go off the path a second. I really want to know what that thing is over here. So I'm gonna figure it out. Yes, I am. We got a bench. There's a bench and stairs and a sign. Let's see what it says. Audubon International. This property has been certified for its achievements in environmental sustainability. What am I looking at? I have the suspicion it is this water feature right in front of me that's covered in reeds. This must be bird watching early in the morning, maybe. Ooh, look at that. Those aren't anything fancy though. Those are just those black grackles. And then behind me, that's a nice look. You can see this part of the mountains. The bench isn't too old. It's still sittable, although it's hard to see. I wonder if that lake is completely filled with reeds or not. There's a little bit of a road that goes around it. Those birds are in there. I can hear the birds. I can hear the birds everywhere. I drank some more water. Let's just keep on going. Let's see what we got. It looks like the back end of a campground. Oh, I see a sign. Let's go look at it. You can't see the sign because you can just see me. Isn't that lovely? Oh, it's lovely. Okay, this is a road. What kind of road is this? And where did that tennis ball just come from? That's super weird. Where on earth did that tennis ball just roll out of nowhere from? It just rolled down the road. I don't know. So what do we got here? Common desert plants, mammals, date palms, the golf course. It just looks like we got a really old bulletin board that gives information. And that's the bird watching. That's the tennis ball. Here comes a car. That car just stopped. I'm going to say that possibly this is some kind of nature watching zone that's fell off the radar somewhere in life. We're gonna go ahead and come around to the other side to see if we can't. Oh yeah, see there's some water. Let's take a look. It's not 100% covered in reeds. Kind of seems like it is, but it's not. Bypass, there's actually mud. I'm trying to bypass the mud. It's part of going to the golf course. Okay, it's not a whole lot. It is mainly reeds. There's that water feature. We'll go back in a second. I just went one more step further because I saw some shade. This is the end. This is the end. Well, not exactly the end, but there's not much on the other side of this area. Lots of coyote scat. They get a lot of coyotes here on the golf course. Please do not feed them. Just shoo them along. I'm going to turn around. And see, there's that person that had parked. They're coming for the birds, I guess, also. I'm going to go walk up that tee and take a video. Okay, this is the 9th tee. 9th hole? Nope, I lied. The 6th hole. This is the 6th tee. It looks like down there the lake is still open, so let's go a little further. Not only does it smell like fresh cut grass, which is just an odd smell to have in your nose in the middle of the desert, we got black ducks. That's what was flying around in here. Black ducks, not the grapplers. Oh, yep, hi. Did not mean to startle you. I really did not mean to startle you. It's really kind of neat to see you. I don't have my bird book. What are you? What are you, little birds? Because you're not landing in the water. You're landing on the side. That's how tiny they are. I gotta zoom in. Ooh, there's fish. Can you see the fish? Oh my gosh, there's fish. Can you guys see the fish? What kind of fish is that? Those aren't pup fish. They're even jumping. I have no idea if you can even see any of those fish. Look at them jumping. Jump some more for me. Okay, Mr. Fish. Every time I turned the camera off, there you go. Did I catch that? Obviously, this is not a spot I could bring a chair and just sit. But if I could, I would. And it really is being blocked. If all these reeds weren't here, you would be able to see from that overlook, or that one area that I climbed up on. Giant dragonflies too. How neat is this? Okay, gotta keep going. Okay, moment of truth. I don't want to be on that side of the golf course. Oh, dragonflies. I would like to be back on this side because that's where I'm at, the Furnace Creek Visitor Center side. So I've stood at the lake for quite a while now. I probably should head back. Why is there always one aggressive duck? This guy keeps bugging these two. I don't even have any food. He keeps chasing them out of the water. Look at them run on the water. That's pretty cool. But I caught that. I could sit here for quite a while and watch these. Up here comes another one. Coming in hot. This water feature is one of the nicest things I've ever experienced at Furnace Creek. I could sit here for hours and watch the fish jump and eat bugs and the birds skim the water. The ducks, when they run across the water, are funny. Their little feet come out. This is lovely. And there's not even really a spot for me to sit because the spot you're supposed to sit to watch the birds is blocked by the reeds. But there's just, you see the birds flying above me, all around me? This is lovely. I did not see this the first time I came through, because there's where I went off the path to do bird watching. It looks like there's a Coca-Cola machine because there happens to be power. And I'm just curious how much. $1.75. For a can of Coke or water. Actually, that's not as bad as I thought it would be. And if you're in the middle of the desert, this is an amazing thing. Sorry that the guy's mowing the lawn. I can't do anything about that. Probably gets a little noisy here. Let's take the road up. Get back to where we need to be. Finally got a golfer in the house. It must be really fun to play this course if you're a golfer. And the 8th tee is that way, but we're gonna go this way. That just looks like a photo opportunity not in Death Valley. Like if you just saw that right there, you would not think, hi, I'm in the middle of Death Valley. Until you look like that. And then you realize, haha, I am in the middle of Death Valley. I'm just in a luxurious golf course. Look at that tree. How beautiful. There's another bush next to it, but that one's been manicured over the years. Ooh, that's pretty. Folks just taking a tour with the golf court. They're not playing golf. There's another one of those yellow trees down here. That'll make a nice picture. There are just a little bit of these dandelion style flowers littering what looks like some form of a waterway. Maybe they release water here and there. Maybe there was water a long time ago. Not totally sure. But you can tell water comes through here. Oh, beautiful. Oh, there's a feather. Oh, and there's all kinds of bees. Hi, Mr. Bees. That's lovely. Getting pollinated. Not sure what kind of tree this is. I get the sense that it was a bush that got turned into a tree. But good job, everybody. Ooh, we're almost back to some shade. Trash. Yep. Let's get that out of there. They have little trash cans along the way, so I got rid of my last one. Ooh. What's that? I think there's a campground behind me here. I think that's the campground, the other campground that it connects to the Furnace Creek Visitor Center. Maybe. You know me, I like to just say things sometimes and then come back and decide, oh wait, nope, that had nothing to do with what I was talking about. Okay, we're at the 10th hole. Tee off is there. There's a little trash can. I'll go ahead and put the trash in the trash can. It's kind of nice. I don't have to keep holding everything. More trash. Don't know what that is. And then, ooh, I think we're back to the original camp spot that I was at. Let's see when we get to the end here. Let's see what we can find. Let's take one last look at the golf course before we head this way. Beware, danger. There's golf course ahead of you. Remain on the path and proceed when it's safe to do so. And that's the path we just came from. So this is a little parking lot. This is a little parking lot. Got some shade. Come off to the side here. It says do not go. Oh yeah, there's the campground. That's the campground. And there's the visitor center. I'm parked. Not next to that RV, but on that same lot. So this says do not go this way. So I will go the correct way. And come on back. Well, we made a nice little loop by sticking to the right-hand side and back at the pro shop. 19th hole is not open for service for the summer. We're gonna go back to Furnace Creek, the visitor center. I wanna see if they can tell me about the little spot where there's bird watching. And I always forget when I'm down in Furnace Creek, I'm still in low elevation, even though we're not at Badwater. That was a cute little stroll. Thanks for coming along with me. And I want you to remember to be grateful, make good choices in your own adventures, and I will catch you on the flip side. Maybe I should play golf sometime. I kind of feel like this isn't the place to just come and decide to play golf, though. Let's get some snacks, people. There's my car. The snacks waiting for me. I will have to check with the visitor center. Also, I'm pretty sure the campgrounds are closed for summer. That's why nobody's here. Because it seems awful strange to me that there wouldn't be a single person camping unless it was closed.